What I wish I knew at midnight instead of 3 a.m. That my fridge would start judging my snack choices. And trust me, it doesn't hold back. Meet Fridge AI version 2.0. The only appliance brave enough to say, "Really? Ice cream again?" Every time you reach for that leftover pizza, I'm here with a helpful, "Maybe try a carrot once in a while?" Oh, and yes, I've noticed you've opened me 5 times in 10 minutes. Looking for motivation? I've synced with your fitness tracker. That soda adds 150 calories to your daily total, champ. Don't worry, I come with plenty of sass and zero judgment. Okay, maybe a little judgment. Fridge AI version 2.0. Your worst best friend. Because in this kitchen, someone has to keep it real.